Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are safe. So the most common problem which is faced by all the Windows user is this hanging problem. In this video I am going to share you few tips and tricks which helps you to get rid of this problem. So let's get started.
And the first step is to restart your Windows Explorer. To perform this, you need to go to your Task Manager. You can directly search for Task Manager here, or else you can just press Ctrl Alt and Delete together. Here you can find this Task Manager. And scroll way down. You can find this Windows Explorer here. So click on that. And here in the right hand side you can see this restart button. Just restart this Windows Explorer. This Windows Explorer is like file manager which helps you to manage all your files, folders, network connections and everything. By restarting this, it helps the system to run smoothly without any hanging problem. And the next step is to close all the apps which are running in background unnecessarily. So I'm going to go to this task manager. And here you can see all the background processes which are currently running. I'm going to click on this AnyDesk and End Task. So yeah, you can see the changes here. And also here I've opened this Google Chrome, which is leading to high power usage. Sometimes when we work for long hours, we forget that we have opened so many apps and so many tabs. So you can just click here and end task when you're not using this. By doing this, you can avoid that sudden hanging problem which occurs when you're working. And the third tip is to delete your temporary files often. This hanging problem occurs mostly when you are running out of storage. So if you don't have time to manually go to the drive and delete all the unwanted files, you can always choose this option. Go to your search bar and type run. Okay, here you just need to type this percentage symbol, temp, and again percentage symbol. Now I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so here you can see there are so many files occupying your storage unwantedly, and also deleting these files are very safe. So you can just click on Ctrl A, select all, and delete. So after deleting the files here in temporary, so here come to recycle bin and then delete it. Okay.
That's it guys. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. And also if you're here for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that we can meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay awesome.